lemon, salt, and pepper are all you need to cure these common health problems. Many natural foods, plants and herbs have been used for centuries for their healing abilities. Before modern Western medicine existed, our ancestors relied solely on nature to help them heal their injuries and overcome their illnesses. Most natural remedies are without the dangerous side effects of over-the-counter and prescription drugs. You might be pleasantly surprised at the many problems and symptoms you can address with simple combinations of salt, pepper and lemon. 1. Stuffy nose. Mix equal amounts of black pepper, cinnamon, cumin and cardamom seeds into a mortar and pestle. Grind until you create a powder, then smell the mixture. Embrace the sneeze. This mix will help clear out a stuffy nose. 2. Canker sores. Add 1 tablespoon of Himalayan salt to a cup of warm water, then swish it around in your mouth after every meal. This natural remedy will allow the mucous membranes in your mouth to heal by eliminating harmful bacteria. 3. Sore throat. Soothe your sore throat by combining the juice from 3 lemons with 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of black pepper and 1 teaspoon of sea salt in a glass of warm water. Gargle a few times each day for throat pain relief and to prevent coughing. 4. Weight loss. Mix half teaspoon of ground black pepper with 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of honey into a glass of warm water. Drink this mix on an empty stomach every morning to kickstart your metabolism, and drink plenty of water throughout the day. 5. Asthma. Keeping this mix around at all times is a good idea if you or someone in your family has asthma. Mix 10 grains of pepper with 2 clove buds and 15 basil leaves into a cup of boiling water. Let it simmer for 15 minutes, then strain the mixture and keep it in a glass jar with a lid. Add 2 tablespoons of organic raw honey, then let it cool. You can store this natural asthma remedy in the fridge for up to 2 weeks. If the taste isn't your favorite, drink it with a little milk. 6. Nausea. To soothe an upset stomach, use black pepper and lemon. Mix 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice with 1 teaspoon of black pepper into a glass of warm water. Drink this mix slowly to stop nausea. A honey lemon ginger tea is also great for relieving an upset stomach. 7. Cold and flu. Squeeze half of a lemon into a cup of boiling water to help relieve a cold. Let the pulp and lemon peel steep in the water for 10 minutes, then remove the lemon and add 1 spoonful of organic raw honey. Drink this remedy as needed until you feel relief. 8. Nosebleed. Apply some lemon juice on a cotton ball and place it in the nostril. Tilt your head slightly forward to stop the blood from dripping into your throat, and to prevent nausea. This simple remedy will stop your nosebleed. 9. Toothache. Mix half teaspoon each of ground pepper and clove oil, then apply the mixture on your sore tooth. This will help to relieve pain. Avoid sugary and acidic foods to prevent toothaches in the future. 10. Treats gallstones. The mixture of salt, pepper and lemon juice, along with some olive oil, is known to dissolve the stones that are accumulated in the gallbladder, with regular consumption. 11. Treats migraine headaches. A mixture of lemon and salt with pepper can stop migraine attacks. When you begin to feel like a headache might be developing, combine the juice and zest of 1 lemon and 2 teaspoons of salt and pinch of pepper powder in a glass of water and drink it. Lemon, salt and pepper for health. This natural remedy we are talking about is more effective than any antibiotic that is usually loaded with annoying side effects. Lemon juice is known to be a very powerful and potent agent that has antibacterial, antiviral and immune-building properties. It is also enriched with bioflavonoids, pectin, limonene, citric acid, magnesium, calcium and vitamins, whereas black pepper possesses antibacterial, antioxidant, immune-boosting, and fever-reducing properties. Lemon juice, when mixed with pepper and salt, is known to provide a host of health benefits. These 3 ingredients can relieve you from pain and inflammation. You can just take a teaspoon of lemon juice, add a pinch of pepper powder and half a pinch of salt and consume it. How to: salt, 1 teaspoon, pepper powder, half teaspoon, and a few drops of lime juice. While natural home remedies cure certain illness, modern medical treatments are more effective in treating major diseases. However, these are extremely effective in treating minor illnesses such as a cold or a sore throat.